So I'm just gonna be doing the step-by-step for the boys dance move for a Pacifica dance, and then we'll put it together in the end with the music. Hopefully this breakdown is simple enough to follow. I have made some changes to the moves, so hopefully that will make it easier for the kids. All right, so pati mapo ole au mai moa, memu ole pese tu sapele loa. So we are pointing 1 2 1 2. Okay, the next one we are scooping. So this is leanga tonu lea o fiafi yanga fa'asa moa. All right, so scoop up and we are going sides. 1 2 3 4 2 2. All right, so rather than for the boys that did learn, rather than doing the whole turn around, we are just going to stick with this one. It's easier for everybody. Okay, leanga tonu lea o fiafi yanga fa'asa moa. Esili lava. Okay, one hand across to the shoulder and the other hand just down here on the hip, and we 1 2 swap to the other side, 1 2. So let's put that together. Leanga tonu lea o fiafi yanga fa'asa moa. E sili lava lo fa'amasani. Fiafi yanga ua e masani yai. Okay, so bear with me, we're almost done. So after the hands here, on the same side, we now go 1 2 1 2. And from here, we're at the last verse sentence. We are 1 2 3 shoo. All right, so let's put that together and then I'll do the music. Pati mapo ole au mai moa, memu ole pese tu sapele loa. We're pointing. We scoop and side to side. Front, clap. 1 2 1 2. One here, another one here, and then 1 2 3, the end. All right, so just for clarity for this, one hand is here and the other hand is here. Okay, and we are 1 2 1 2. All right, let's put that together with the music.
Ole au mai moa, memu ole pese tu sapele loa. Le au ngatonu lea, o fiafi anga fa'asa moa. Esili lava lo fa'amasani, fiafi anga ua masani ya. Te ono me ai, le ai se whai ti o mai.